Hey everyone, welcome back to the TunesKit channel. Is your iPhone completely unresponsive? Black screen, no Apple logo, no charging indicator, nothing at all? In today's video, we'll show you 5 effective solutions to fix. Fix 1. Check the basics. First, make sure your iPhone has enough power. Plug it in for at least 30 minutes. Second, use a certified Apple charger and cable. If your iPhone is still dead, let's move on. Fix 2. Force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button and release it quickly. Then press the volume down button and release it quickly. Keep holding the power button until your iPhone turns on. If that doesn't work, try the next method. Fix 3. Use TunesKit iOS system recovery. It can repair over 150 iOS issues, including an iPhone that won't turn on without data loss. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to computer and open the TunesKit. Choose iOS System Repair section and press the Start button. Step 2. Select Standard Repairing Mode. This mode will not lose any data. Next, you should confirm your device information is correct. You can choose iOS 18 or iOS 26 here, and then press the Download button to download the firmware package. Do not disconnect from the computer during the download process. The firmware package will start to be automatically parsed after downloading. Once the firmware package is downloaded, tap on the Repair button. TunesKit iOS System Recovery will start to fix the iPhone 12 won't turn on issue. Fix 4. Restore iPhone via iTunes. Open iTunes, and in the summary panel you can see the basic information about your phone. There are also 2 options. You can choose the Update option first to update the system directly through iTunes. If that doesn't work, the Restore button can also help you, but keep in mind that this option is similar to a factory reset and will erase all your data. If the above content is helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.